Hi guys, come back to stoRHYS of AMIAmazing. Here we have Amia and we are at Haya Resort. Let us show you the lobby. So we go up this nice fancy stairs. Nice door. Oh yes. And by the way, Merry Christmas. I almost forgot. Merry Christmas!
They're still on their way, honey.
So guys, before we're gonna do everything, when we arrive, we're gonna eat. So here's what we do. It's so nice.
May water na rin po inside. Complimentary water po. Coffee, cream, and sugar, cups and saucer, electric kettle, and the remote po for aircon and for the signal po. May map po kami dito, ma'am. And for the Wi-Fi password, naka-indicator siya dito. And there's a green bag po. Pwede siyang gamitin around the resort po. Pero hindi po pwede dito.
Bakit?
And yes, year po, ayun po. And 6 to 8 p.m. po, may nag-iikot po na housekeeping attendant po para po sa mga kids. Until 9 po, maximum of
Okay.
And here's your room key. Thank you and have a nice day po.
Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate. What's your name, Ate?
Bridget.
Thank you, Ate Bridget. Bye-bye. Nice room.
Yeah, this is a very nice room. So there's 2 beds, and then we have table and light also there. And you could see no, there's no bathtub. A picture, and when you go here, we have our bathroom. What? Hi, Amiel.
Hey.
You see the bed they have? Don't you see? This is the bed. This is the bidet. Is the silly star shower? Yeah, this is the shower. Well, this is the silly shower. So this is the villa in Haya Resort. I love villa in Haya Resort. So I'm gonna show you what it's doing. So here, so nice here. So here, this is where you can eat. And then this, somebody has to sleep here. And then you come here, guys. You have a fridge, has nothing in it, a microwave, faucet, and some things here. So
I think they can cook here.
here. Oh yeah, wait, what? Oh yeah, you could cook here. And here is the bed. Here, as you can see. So cool. It's like, I love the pattern. Like, this thing almost matches me, but I have a little bit of black and like, black, white. So, I don't know. And here we have a bathroom with a shower. It's my first time seeing this. Guys, have you ever seen something like this? This is my first time. Is this so cool? Oh my god. elevator. Okay? Okay, let's go out. Oh, pala guys. Here, it says, use me within. This here, there's like a tab and tells you that this is only resort. Please don't bring this at home.
You can only use that within the premises of the resort.
Yep. And when someone outside, voila, you have like this hangout room, and here I think the adults is gonna use this. Send me some pictures, guys. I mean, mom. And then here we have another bedroom. Nice bedroom. And then we have the same ladder. And then same bathroom. Oh! The bathroom's the same, but doesn't have the elevator thing, which is so cool. And look, who's here? Who's here? We got him. We got that amazing. I have a surprise for you, which is right behind here. But if you come here, Dad, if you come here, you already know it's the surprise. But this is the surprise if you haven't been here, so. The little. They have their own pool and a lounge here. Oh, it's so hot.
Kuya's cleaning it.
Kuya's cleaning the pool, and it's so cool cleaning the pool. Okay, that's it.
Mag-swim namin sa ilagan.
Big one.
Oh, there's someone shooting. I'm sure. I'm kasi Tiffany.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.